Hi folks, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a square equal in area to the sum of two given squares. So the first thing to do is to draw AB equal in length to the side of one of these given square and BC equal in length to the side of the other square. So you draw AB perpendicular to BC. All you need to do is, if you have to draw a square that is equal in area to the sum of two given squares, like of let's say 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively, all you need to draw, you draw two perpendicular lines that are 4 centimeter long. So I'll first of all draw this. So my first perpendicular line will be from here. So we have a 4 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 centimeter. So just draw the line. Then I have to draw the perpendicular line to it. So this is 4, and then the upward will also be 4 centimeter. So we'll have it as 1, 2, 3, 4. So after doing that, you join A to C. So this is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. So all you need to do now is to join A to C. So let's do that now. So joining A to C, we have this. Now after joining A to C, you construct a square on this line. So we're going to construct a square on AC. All you need to do is you just draw perpendiculars at A and C, and you measure the length of your new square, which is now 4, which is now longer than 4. So there we go. So I'll just measure the length of the square. I'll just copy this length AC because a square has all its sides equal. So I'll copy AC and copy it here. And for this one also. So we have the square when you connect these two. So this is how to draw a square that is equal to the sum of the area of two squares. So this square ACDE is square that is equal in area to the sum of the sides of the first two squares. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.